What do you think about this? That especially juror number 6, by the way, African American replaced by a white juror, and there are rumblings in the defense, I'm told, that they're going to make a racial argument here.
Well, they've already said they want a mistrial if the judge does this.
Right.
Now, I don't think it's going to happen, but they're on the record as saying this is a problem.
I think that certainly there could have been another residence that he was staying with his girlfriend
right.
at, so he's going back and forth. That's frequent. And so in that sense, he could still be living within the jurisdiction of the jury pool. But additionally, I think the fact that they did not give a full hearing to the defense, to be able to bring in affidavits, to be able to bring in utility bills, things of that nature that would prove that he's a resident of the Bronx. I think that's what should have occurred before removing him. And in fact, I think they should make a motion now to revisit it.
So what I hear you saying, Judge, is that if in the case, if Diddy loses, you think that this is a good grounds for appeal?
Yes, I think it would be because you haven't allowed a proper opportunity to prove residency. That's where I'm stuck at. Why didn't you allow a proper opportunity and hearing to prove residency, which would have included affidavits? And I'm sure the defense would have done that. And so that's why that's my view, is that there should have been more of a hearing before discharging the juror.
And on the other juror getting this text message, how would you react to that?
Yeah, of course, you have to follow the law and the court rules that apply to that state. However, let's be real. Those folks on the jury, they tell someone, their loved one, whomever, that they're on the jury, and then the word gets out. I mean, these are real people. The law is paper, and these people are real. And so although we expect them not to tell folks that they're on the jury, they're doing just that.
But once it has been brought to your attention, then you have to treat this like, look, this is a violation, and this person probably shouldn't be on the jury.
That's correct. And so I'm in favor of that. I agree with that person should be removed from the jury, having outside contacts regarding the trial.
You know, there's a lot going on right now with the Diddy trial. I've seen a clip of you saying that you know, if you were in charge over this case, you would give him 5 to 10 years. I kind of want to know, from what we've seen so far, what are your thoughts on everything?
Those are state charges. I would give him 5 to 10 years.
What is done in the dark will come soon to the light, as the Bible says, everything will be revealed.
Tell these
King Gus.
subscribe to the Prophet channel.
Oh, I got you.